Good morning, subscribers. Welcome to the daily pre-market analysis. I am Brijesh Bhatia. SGX Nifty is indicating a negative opening below 16,900 now. So it's currently trading at 18,860, 16,865, down by around 175 points down. Uh, Again, it's been putting up pressure with the global markets. If you look at yesterday, Dow again down by nearly half a percent. We saw economic data coming from US, which was again positive for dollar. And look at the dollar index; it's now around 114 and a half. Again, this is going a strong momentum. And I'll be coming with a video on dollar index, USD INR. What are the targets I am looking at in this week? So stay tuned for that video as well. Those who are trading forex as well, those who are trading USD INR, want a view on USD INR, I'll be coming up with a video on that as well too in this week. Starting with the Nifty, uh, again we saw this breakdown happening. I've shared this chart yesterday as well. The momentum over here, the gap been resisted again, and during the day, if you remember on the telegram yesterday, I posted that the index is being trading in a range for 16,500, 17,260 to 30 levels have been crucial resistance zone. So now we are opening below this gap area, which is 16,950, and the momentum 200 hourly exponential moving average has been on the higher side, which will act as a resistance zone. If I look on to the daily over here, 200 exponential moving average is placed at 16,883. We may open around those levels and will be very important to watch at. If we look at the lower panel, the stochastics over here, the momentum indicator is into the I would say oversold zone, and we may see a pause to this momentum, especially looking at the structure on the hourly. The next support is placed right at around 16,789, which was the previous double bottom breakout, I would say. If you look at this level will be very important to watch on 16,800, 16,770 in today's session. And if you remember, I have highlighted in yesterday's post market note as well. If we break 16,950, 16,800 can be on card, and this was the reason I highlighted 16,800 can be on cards on the expiry day. If I just look at the weights, if you remember yesterday, the heavyweights like Infosys, TCS, Reliance holding on to the Nifty, which were trending positive. And if I just look at the weights over here for Nifty 50 sector wise, nearly 36% is from financials and banks, and that's the one which is putting pressure right now when market has corrected right from 18,000 levels to nearly 17,000 levels. Second is again the IT, which holds somewhere around 15.5%. And if I just look at the IT index, though if you remember, I have done a video that there is a red flag, but if you look at for quite few days, it's been holding this support area. So if this support area is breached, I believe the momentum could continue with the bearish side. But on the flip side, which is positive, is the USD INR, which has been nearly 2 rupees in the up, which is the USD INR. The INR has been depreciated by 2 rupees in the September itself, and that's what it the holding the IT as of now. So it will be very important to watch in today's session. 25,000. If you look at the recent lows, which was 26,186. So 26,000 till it holds, probably we may see a bounce back, or I would say the time correction could continue into the IT index. I'm not very much bullish onto the IT index as of now, but at the current point in time, it may hold Nifty, or it may pause the bearish momentum onto the Nifty onto the downside. The third index is the energy itself, where 13% is the weightage of energy, and out of that 11.5% is the Reliance Industries. So yes, it is also trending at a good support area, 200 exponential moving average. Plus, if you look at the structure over here, it's been retest of the breakout. So it will be very important to watch out. 24,800, 25,000 levels will be very important on energy index as well. And the final, which holds FMCG, it's around 9%. So if I just look at the four sectoral index, financials and banks, plus IT plus energy and plus FMCG, it nearly holds 72% of Nifty weights over here. So yes, still we haven't seen much damage onto the FMCG space. So still FMCG looks very attractive. It's been trending at higher levels. So any dip, it's and good accumulation level onto the FMCG space as well. So keep a watch on this FMCG. Coming on to the expiry trade, as I said, 17,000. It's been unwinding in the last hour uh, from around 28, 20,000, 30,000 of positive OI. It ended on a negative 13,000 of OI, which means that unwinding has happened and the writers have come to the panic mode in last hour. Uh, Now we are breaking below this, so around 1 lakh of still OI may come to unwind if it holds for first 15 minutes or below the 16,930 950 levels, and we may see this unwinding coming when it may take 16,800 levels onto the markets where still the 78,000 of OI is there. On the higher side, I believe 17,100, 17,200. If you look at the addition yesterday, uh, 58,000 of contract, nearly fresh addition has been happened. So 17,100, it's very difficult to breach in today's session. So any dip towards 17,000 will be a short on rise for today. 16,800, 16,780 will be one I will watching in today's session. Stay tuned on to the Telegram. I'll be keep updating. And in case if you think I should start the fresh intraday setups coming on to the Nifty and Bank Nifty or another any indices, and I should post on Telegram, do comment in the comment section that do you wish I should send or no. So do not forget to comment. In case I find more comments on that, I'll come with the new more intraday charts onto my Telegram channel. So signing off and have a profitable day.